Good morning, everyone. Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting. In this video, I want to talk a little bit about just looking long term, what this upcoming week's going to look like, and talk a little bit about some precip chances for Monday, Sunday through about Tuesday. So, first up on your screen, what you see, this is past radar. If you were up late last night, you may have heard a couple rumbles of thunder. There was a little storm system move through. This will pick up right at about midnight and go till about 4 a.m. this morning. And you can see that line of showers and thunderstorms move through, gave us a little bit of a taste of spring, if you will. So nothing severe out of this, but just some late in the winter thunderstorms moved through this morning, if you heard any rumbles of thunder from that. So let's talk some precip chances for this upcoming week. First forecast model you see up on your screen right now is the NAM model. This is the lower res, kind of medium range American model that we have to look at. We're going to pick this up at midnight on Sunday. Notice we may see a couple showers try to get in here tonight with this system passing just to our south. I don't think anything major will come out of that though. As we go further throughout the day on Sunday, notice Sunday stays pretty dry. Here we are at midnight on Monday, and notice our next approaching storm system is off here to our southwest, say around that Oklahoma City area. It will start to lift north and northeast, and that will bring us our next chances of rain and maybe a little bit of snow. Notice this is in the afternoon on Monday. Maybe some light snow off to our west before we'll stop this here at midnight on Monday night into Tuesday. Maybe a little bit of snow on the backside of this. Nothing too major, of course, but that will move out of here as we go. This is 6 a.m. on Tuesday morning. Notice everything is well off to our east at that point. So that's one model run. Let's see if other models concur with it. This is the Canadian model now. Again, similar in type, short range model. We're going to pick this up at midnight on Sunday night. Notice that 2 shows a storm system down off to our southwest, but notice as it lifts northward, it stays a little bit further south. It's suppressed a little further south where we may not see a whole lot in the way of moisture for that. And of course, as we go into Tuesday, it is well off to our east. This last one I've got is the longer range GFS. So we'll kind of look at the Monday system again, but then kind of shift towards the long term here. Overall, I don't think the Monday storm system will be much of anything in the way we have to worry about as far as snowfall accumulations or anything like that. We may see a dusting to half an inch, maybe an inch out of this if the storm system really overproduces, but I don't see a whole lot of issues with this just because the ground has been so warm that we've had these really nice warmer temperatures. So we'll pick this up again Sunday at midnight and go through kind of the next week. Notice the GFS wants to suggest that it starts off with a little bit of rain before switching over to snow Monday night into Tuesday, and it is well off to our east once we go into the morning hours on Tuesday. After that, it stays pretty dry for the rest of the week. Notice temperatures hang right around that seasonable level. Here we are in Friday, is Thursday night at midnight. Really nothing in the way of major weather to speak of. It's going to stay pretty nice across the area before maybe our next clipper system will get in here by next weekend. So let's look at long-term outlooks now. These are from the Climate Prediction Center. Notice on the 6 to 10 day outlook as we look further into the month of February, this is Feb 15 to 19. Notice we're kind of in that equal chances to just slightly above average on temperatures. And if we look at the 8 to 14 day outlook, this is Feb 17 to 23. Notice that that ridge of some warmer air kind of stays locked in just to the north of our area. So either right at about average temperatures or slightly above average temperatures as we go really throughout the next several weeks into February. And precip also looks to stay on the minimal side as well. Notice this is the 6 to 10 day precipitation outlook for Feb 15 to 19. Notice we stay below average for precip, and that will stick around as we go through the 8 to 14 day outlook, Feb 17 to 23. Precip stays on the lighter side as well. So overall, as we go throughout February, looking a little bit warmer than average and maybe a little bit drier than average for precipitation after that first storm system moves through Monday night into Tuesday. Again, it doesn't look like a lot out of that right now. If anything changes, of course, I'll let you know. But as we go later on into the month, warmer than average temperatures look to be on tap, as well as some drier than average conditions.